Hello, students. Teacher Clara here. In today's lesson, this is a business English for level B2 advanced in the CEFR. Today's focus is on office equipment and supplies. So at the end of this lesson, you will learn useful expressions in target language about office equipment and supplies. Our first set of target language is on computer technology, something like desktop computer, laptop, mobile phone. And our next set of target language is on computer accessories, something like monitor stand, mouse, keyboard, web camera, or also called webcam, microphone. Business machines, something like printer, paper shredder, photocopier, and telephone. Our next set of target language is on office furniture, something like a desk, an office chair, chairs, filing cabinet, sofa or couch, a meeting table, and chairs. Now let's have a role play applying those words that we learned. So there are two characters in our role play. These are the office manager and Steve. Hi, Steve. I understand that you're new to the company. We are pleased to have you on board. Thank you. It's my pleasure to be working with all of you. We have to set your office up as soon as possible. I was wondering if you could give me a list of what you need in your office. Sure, I would need some office furniture, a computer, computer accessories, a telephone, a shredder, a printer, and business machines. What sort of office furniture do you specifically need? I need a desk, an office chair, filing cabinets, a sofa, a meeting table, and chairs. All right, I'll get that sorted for you as soon as I can so you can transfer to your new office. Is there anything else you would like me to add to the list? That sounds pretty good for now. Thanks for sorting that out for me. My pleasure. Let me know if there's anything that comes to mind. Will do. Thank you. Now, in that dialogue, there were some phrasal verbs, but you might be wondering, what's a phrasal verb? Well, it is a phrase that consists of a verb with a preposition or adverb or both, the meaning of which is different from the meaning of its separate parts. Okay, let's look at some of phrasal verbs that we used in the dialogue. First is on board. On board means a part of a group or team. Say, in the dialogue, the office manager said to Steve, "We are pleased to have you on board." In this context, the office manager was meaning that they are pleased or they're happy to have Steve as part of the team. Next is set up. Set up means to get things ready. The office manager said to Steve that we have to set your office up as soon as possible. So she was meaning that they have to get Steve's office ready for him to occupy, and so he can move to his own office. Lastly, we have come or comes to mind. It means to suddenly or immediately materialize in one's mind. For example, in the dialogue, the office manager said, "Let me know if there's anything that comes to mind." So she was meaning to let her know if Steve could think of other things that he might need in his office. All right, now it's time to see if you understood any of what the office manager and Steve were talking about. Our first comprehension question is, in the dialogue between Steve and the office manager, what did Steve say he needed? You can let me know your answer in the comment section. So write it up in the comment section. I'll check it out for you later. Number 2, from listening to the dialogue, what can you infer about the office manager? You might be wondering, what does infer mean? Infer means to form an opinion or guess that something is true because of the information that you have. So basically, what can you say about the office manager from talking to Steve? You can let me know your answer in the comment section. So write it up in the comment section. I'll check it out for you later. And if you've learned anything from this lesson, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like too. You can share it with your friends as well. All right, see you next time.